is Miss Kimmy, and today we're gonna make some slime. We're gonna make some sticky, gooey slime for you to play with when you're at home. It's a fun alternative to Play-Doh, and it'll really stimulate those sensory skills for your little ones. So what we're going to need in your kit, we have the glitter glue, we have the magic slime solution. It looks like this. Need 1/4 of a cup of warm water, a bowl, and something to mix it at the beginning because it's going to be a little bit messy. So to avoid any more messes, we're gonna use one of these sticks. If you don't have a stick, like a palette, you can also use a spoon. And some baking soda. Okay, so we're gonna start off by first taking the glue. We're gonna put only half of the glue first. About a little bit more than half. Half of the glue inside the bowl. So we're gonna put the glue, throw it in there. And then we're going to place 1/4 of warm water. It has to be warm. So we're gonna put it here, the warm water, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. One teaspoon. We're gonna put it in there. After we finish with the baking soda, we're going to grab the liquid for the slime. We're only gonna use half of it at the beginning. It's very important to save some of it because then it gets sticky. And to remove the stickiness of it, we need more of the liquid slime. So we're gonna put only half of it. And we're gonna start mixing. Mix, mix. Fun game where you can say, go fast, 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 fast. And they start mixing it fast in little circles. Fast, 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 fast. And mix and mix and mix and fast and fast and fast and mix and mix and mix and mix. Mix, mix, mix fast in little circles. We're gonna mix and mix. And it's gonna start getting stickier and heavier every time. We should be able to control it and give it a slimy consistency. And then we can also touch it to see. And missing a little bit more of the, still save some more of the liquid slime. See, oof, beautiful. And now it's going to keep on being a little bit slimy. And by now, we can put some of this slime so that it doesn't stick to our hands. Bathe our hands in a little bit of the slime liquid. And kids can start picking it up. If you want to change how slimy it is, you can always add more liquid. It gets harder and harder and slimier, and then you try to get it all on your hands, but it's gonna fall down because it's slimy. And there we have it. We have slime. And that's it. We finished. And I hope you enjoyed playing with your gooey slime.